The biggest misconception about teaching letters to our little ones is to start with the alphabet and grab one letter, isolate it, and teach it at them without any meaning, without why they should be learning this. But as an adult, we're like, oh, you gotta know the letters, so we're gonna start with letter A for apple. But that's not the way we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it through play. And the way that we're gonna do it is we're going to expose them to all the letters using one of their favorite things to play with, and that is water. So this year, you want to get all things letters and numbers, because we're going to do a lot of exposure naturally in their environment. So we're going to use this water bin so that they can interact with the water, and we're going to observe if they are interested in the letters. Some will just be interested in the colors of the letters, and you can start seeing some of those patterns as you see them play. Others will start asking, what is this? What letter is this? So this activity is just so that we can have some observation and see where the level of interest of letters are. So water, it's super fun. It's something familiar. They've been doing it for all these years, and it is fun. And we're going to add the element of the letters. We're going to do a lot of exposure play. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a water bin. So you're gonna have some water, some cups, some bowls, things that they can pour and transfer from one place to the other. And you're going to add letters. So you can add magnet letters. You can add the letters that we use for like a light table, which are like transparent. Etsy has some beautiful like resin letters that you can get. And in my case, I went to Lakeshore Learning, and they had these bowls that in one side it was the picture, and on the other side it was the letter. So they float, they're fun, but you can do any. So just grab some letters. If they are interested in the letters, we're gonna move forward and take that interest. But if not, all we're gonna do this year is just expose them to the letters. So grab a water, grab some cups and bowls, add some letters in it, and have some fun.